Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save hours every week by letting AI do your work. Because in this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can use Zapier AI agents to automate tasks and build workflows, even if you are a beginner. Zapier just added AI agents and they can connect your favorite apps like Gmail, Notions, Google Sheets, Slack and run them automatically. No coding needed, just plain English. So first you can just go to the zapier.com and then sign up. And after you sign up, you can just head to the AI agents dashboard. It's available in your Zapier account. This one, agents. Okay, you can just click on this option, take a tour first. As you guys can see here, you need to first create your first agent. Click on continue. And here, tap on this, create your first agent. And you can give your agent a role like email assistant, content poster, report builder. For example, in here, I'm going to go with this one. And just click on use this template. And in here, you need to connect to your Gmail account. Or you can also skip this first. So you can actually connect your apps to Zapier agents because it supports thousands like Google Drive, Slack, Notion, Trello, you name it. Just log in once and your AI agent can use them. And you can also test the workflow. You can run a test. For example, you can tell your agents, whenever I get an email with invoice, you can copy it into Google Sheets. And Zapier will show me the results instantly. You can also click on this agent preview to see the review or the task. And don't forget to activate or click on publish. And your AI agent will keep running 24/7 even while you sleep. So that's how beginner's guide to Zapier AI agents. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.